A Charlie Brown Christmas. Sponsored by Peter Paul Cadbury, maker of Mounds, Almond Joy, York, and Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate. And by Carefree Sugarless Gum, now with a new, fresher taste.
Hey, I avoid sugar. That makes me feel good about me.
Feeling good about yourself, feeling carefree. You've got new Carefree Sugarless Gum, fresher taste that's sugar-free. Feeling good about yourself, feeling carefree.
Now that Carefree has a new, fresher taste, why would anyone chew gum with all that sugar?
Feeling carefree. Nabisco.
Listen to the beat, the early morning breakfast beat. Mix and eat cream of wheat. Hot cereal, out of bed, on your feet, and it's all about it. Mix and eat cream of wheat. Hot cereal, mix, hot mix, mix and eat cream of wheat. Hot cereal.
New improved Mix and Eat. It's smoother, it's creamier, it's delicious.
Nabisco.
I was right in the middle of a caramello when I found gold.
Golden smooth caramel. Deep inside every delicious bite of creamy Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate.
Right in the middle of a caramello when I found gold.
Golden caramel inside creamy Cadbury's Dairy Milk Chocolate. Now 16% bigger.
I was right in the middle of a caramello when I found gold.
York! 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 It's thrilling. Tingly! Cool. When you bite into a York Peppermint Pattie, you don't just get a chocolate bar, you get a sensation. It's rich. Snowy. Frosty. Want the sensation of extra frosty mint covered with extra delicious chocolate? York! York! Sensational!
Alone with Fruit Chewy Newton's cookies.
Janie,
New Blueberry Newtons.
I know you've got the Newtons.
New Cherry Newtons, too.
And you're in the closet.
So Fruit Chewy.
Okay, you're not in the closet.
You want them for yourself.
Which leaves only one place.
Delicious Newton's cookies. Fig and apple, too. So Fruit Chewy. You want them for yourself.
Can we talk money?
Nabisco.
A few words about Mounds. Ooh. Ah. But don't take our words for it. Mounds. Ooh, ah, for yourself.
Peter Paul Cadbury, maker of Mounds, Almond Joy, York, and Cadbury's Milk Chocolate, and Carefree Sugarless Gum, now with a new, fresher taste, have sponsored a Charlie Brown Christmas.
Monday, it's a magical musical wonderland with one of the greatest casts ever assembled. Sammy Davis Jr., Jack Wharton, Sally Struthers, Donna Mills, Ann Gillian, Steve Lawrence, Edie Gourmet, Jonathan Winters, Telly Savalas, and many more in Irwin Allen's all-new musical Alice in Wonderland, Monday.
You didn't think I could do that job for 1 minute. You were just trying to work a little action.
Yeah, that's right. It's an all-new Mary, tackling a new job at a third-rate paper.
My next-door neighbor is a werewolf.
Yeah, I want it in the paper tomorrow.
The girl who turned the world on with her smile is back.
Me?
To turn it on again. Mary, premiering Wednesday, December 11th.
Sounds like fun.
This is CBS.
I was scared to death of doctors when I was a kid. And one of the first things I keep in mind is how afraid the patients may be when they come to see me. If I can get them to relax, if I can get them to be comfortable in my office and feel comfortable with me, and try to put myself in their shoes a bit so that they don't feel so fearful, then I think they're going to be more comfortable talking to me, and I'll understand their problems better. If they feel comfortable, then usually we can accomplish a lot more.
Hi, everybody. The stars are out and they're shining brightly in Boston tonight. A special black tie event is taking place to raise money to further AIDS research. And doing what they do best this evening will be many local and national celebrities, including Cyndi Lauper, Dionne Warwick, Peter Wolf, Joan Jett, and David Robinson from the Cars. The governor and Mrs. Dukakis plan on being there too, and I hope you plan on being with 7. I'm Paula Zahn. Hope to see you a little bit later.
WNEV Channel 7, Boston. We put New England first.